Bachelor of Science Tourism. I just want to ask you po about your college life. First of all, what's your name po? Tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Trisha May Incha, but you can call me Shang or Ishang. For now po, I'm doing makeup. Kapag walang wala akong ginagawa sa bahay, yung mga ibang mga kapitbahay ko is nagpapa-makeup sa akin like graduation, gano'n. Yun lang yung side hustle ko for now po.
Since nasa college po kayo, what course did you take po?
I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Did you find this course or your college life difficult po ba?
Hindi naman kasi actually second option ko naman yung office ad, so hindi siya ganun kahirap sa akin. Then nag-challenge ako kasi ngayon nagiging favorite ko na yung steno subject namin, so kahit nahihirapan ako, ginagawa ko siyang challenge para mas matuto.
Could you give us some motivational quotes po sa aming mga college students?
Etong motivational quotes ko, since high school pa, try and try until you die, and if you die at least you try.
Yes, thank you. And last question, could you give us some tips of how we could overcome this college life po?
Ang gusto ko lang na i-advise sa inyo is i-enjoy nyo lang yung life nyo, kasi yung college life kasi hindi naman yan yung puro mahihirap, kasi may mga college friend din tayo na kaya tayong tulungan hanggang sa sama-sama tayo umangat. So yun yung para sa akin.
Thank you po.
Never thought that I could love someone like this. Seeing you, I can't help but reminisce in my mind